My name is Anaya Rizwan and I will show you how to make a coronavirus mask emergency bag. You'll need 2 ponies or 2 rubber bands and a piece of fabric. First, you need to fold the fabric's edges. Make sure you have space. Okay. And don't tie it around the fabric, just leave it like that up to it. Now get the other pony and do the same thing on the other side. Now, can you see these 2 edges? First make a gap in the middle and put 1 edge in there. Pull this pony or rubber band, whatever you have, and the other side. Now pull it again. That's how you make one. Stay safe and be active. Bye. Visit AR the DIY Hacker on YouTube. Bye.